Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for the series of 365 Prophet Muhammad stories. Today I will read you the 11th story from the book. So let's get started. The name of the story is Redigging the Zamzam Well. Since Abd al Muttalib was in charge of arranging fresh water for the pilgrims, he found it difficult to discharge his duty as there was no well near the Kabah. He had to get water from outside Makkah and store it in a reservoir near the Kabah. For this reason, he desires to restore the Zamzam Well grove. One day he had a dream. He saw that someone in his dream was saying to him to redig the Zamzam Well. This gave him confidence in his idea of redigging the well of Zamzam, which was a matter of great concern to him. Abd al Muttalib was not aware of the exact location of the original well, nor could the Makkans guide him in locating the place where he should start the digging. With the help of his son Al-Mughirah, Abd al Muttalib started the digging near the Kabah. It was very difficult work. None of the people of Makkah came forward to help him. They thought Abd al Muttalib's efforts were futile. But he did not lose his hope to revive the Zamzam Well. Then, after long days of hard work, he was rewarded all of a sudden. The water of Zamzam Well bursted forth from beneath the place where he was digging. This gave immense joy to Abd al Muttalib and as well as to the Makkans. So this was the story, and tomorrow I will read you the next story from the book. Unless then, thank you for watching. Bye.